Hi beautiful family. For any new friends that are stopping by, I welcome you. You are so appreciated. Well guys, it's Spring is Sprung episode 5 already. Wow, time flies. So I did some Z-Gallerie eggs, and guys, I am so in love with them. These are some plush velvet eggs that Z-Gallerie has on their website. They use a really nice velvet with some pretty pink blush velvet ribbon on it. So I'm going to show you how I created these. So I got these eggs from Hobby Lobby. They were really inexpensive on sale, and I had this material, but guys, I will tell you that this did not come out perfect. I did wrap this egg, but I had regular velvet material. It's really pretty and luxe. I needed stretch velvet actually, and I did not use that. So guys, if you're going to do this, make sure that you use crushed velvet that's stretchable and not regular velvet like the good stuff I have, because it's going to pucker and you'll see the creases in it. But I still like the way it turned out. So after I wrapped them, I went ahead and got the same ribbon, a velvet ribbon or maybe satin ribbon that Z-Gallerie had. I wanted this to be really luxe, so I used a velvet. It's gorgeous. All you're going to do is wrap it around both sides like a cross, and once that's done, we're going to start mixing up our really pretty rose gold glitter. And they also had some gems. I added these extra rose gold sequin and some of this crushed glass. I wanted it to be really chunky and pretty, but yeah, I'm just gonna add it on like Z-Gallerie, and this is the mixture that I'm using. You can just go with the mixture that Z-Gallerie had, which was just a rose gold and a little bit of look like metallic gems or something on top. I love this rose gold, and I had this already. It's just a coincidence that it's the same exact color as Z-Gallerie, and I really love those blush eggs and the material that they had on their website. Just gorgeous. So as you can see, I just basically put the mixture on top with Mod Podge, and then I'm going to go back and add a little bit of these cute little pretty gemstones with my little stylus. And I'm going to do that to each and every one of these, but this was a really quick and easy DIY. And guys, a lot of times we aim for perfection. This time they did buckle, so like I said, if you're going to do this DIY, I would recommend getting a stretch velvet instead of this really pretty crushed velvet that I have, or yeah, because otherwise you're gonna get some buckling or folding, I should say, at the bottom. But besides that, I really love the way they turned out. It's a really nice plush velvet, and these sweet little eggs are so pretty. They can be used as ornaments with the string on the bottom, or if not, you can just use them the way they are, like I have them just standing up at springtime, tablescape, just decor. But they did come out absolutely gorgeous, and I really wanted to do a spring DIY for all of my subscribers that are really into glam, and these are definitely beautiful glam spring eggs. So if you want to try this, like I said, don't forget to use a stretch velvet. So I hope you guys like this DIY. Really quick, really easy, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the bell to be notified whenever I upload, and I will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.